Profesora, buenas noches. Voy a hacer mi actividad del Speaking 2. Hello, today I am going to talk about my David and hip soft Helens and Davids. I think big healthy means eating balanced food and exercising regularity, with soups in fruit and vegetables every day help for body. We should drink a lot of water. We should eat much fast food or too many sweets. In my daily diet, I usually eat rice, chicken, vegetables and fruit. For breakfast, I eat egg and drink some milk. There's some fruit in my kitchen every day. If you feel sick, you should take an aspirin and rest. You should also sleep 7 or 8 hours every night. Thank you.